Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to make a very simple scenery consisting of a house, a pathway, two trees, bushes, grass, flower, sun and clouds. We'll start by making the roof of the house using scale. You may make it freehand to 4.5 centimeter lines just below the roof. And join them by another line. Now we are going to make two small windows. Each on either side of our house. Now we will make another square outside them. And curtains inside. Now we'll make a door. Using scale again and a small circle for the doorknob. Now we will make a pathway in front of the door and some grass on its borders to enhance its look. Some more grass. Flower, another flower. Now we will make a tree in the background. And now we will erase the extra lines. Another tree in the same manner. Everything in our scenery is very simple and easy. In a step-by-step manner. This tree is the same as the previous one, only smaller. We'll we'll erase the extra lines again. And now we will make some bushes in the background. Now we will make clouds. 2 clouds in fact. And sun. Make sure you make your drawing with light pencil so that if there are any mistakes you can erase them easily. We'll make some rays coming from the sun. One small, one big. Some birds. And done. Thanks for watching.